Northern European. If you have Northern European ancestry, your unfair biological advantage is possessing a body genetically hardwired to thrive in the darkest, most sun-deprived environments on the planet. Because your ancestors survived long, brutal winters with minimal sunlight, your body evolved into a high-powered solar panel. Your skin maximizes every single photon of light, allowing you to synthesize critical vitamin D at a lightning-fast rate even on completely overcast days. This ensures your immune system stays fully charged and your bones remain remarkably strong when light is scarce. But your environmental adaptation goes even deeper. Your lineage carries a unique genetic mutation that keeps the lactase enzyme active throughout adulthood. While most of the world naturally loses the ability to digest milk after childhood, your ancestors unlocked a permanent liquid energy source, allowing them to extract massive calories and vital calcium from livestock when traditional crops completely failed. Nature engineered your genetics to turn environmental scarcity into an absolute survival advantage, making you completely resilient under the dimmest skies. Sub-Saharan African. If you have Sub-Saharan African ancestry, your unfair biological advantage is possessing a body wrapped in the most advanced, high-performance evolutionary shield on Earth. Because your ancestors thrived under intense direct solar radiation, your skin evolved an ultra-dense matrix of eumelanin. This flawless full-body shield does far more than just prevent sunburn. It perfectly safeguards your body's vital reserves of folate, a critical nutrient naturally destroyed by UV rays that your system desperately needs for DNA repair and cellular growth. But your ancestral blueprint holds an even deeper power. A high prevalence of the optimized ACTN3 gene for explosive fast-twitch muscle fiber recruitment. Your body is physically engineered for elite speed and power. Nature engineered your genetics to turn intense solar energy and ancient environmental challenges into a masterclass of physical invulnerability and absolute cellular resilience. Eastern European. If you have Eastern European ancestry, your unfair biological advantage is possessing an elite, plague-resistant immune system forged through centuries of intense environmental pressure. Surviving a brutal continental climate where temperatures wildly swing between scorching summers and freezing sub-zero winters genetically optimized your body's internal thermostat. This allows you to maintain physical stamina and a highly responsive immune baseline in shifting environments. But your ultimate hidden defense lies in a rare genetic variation known as the CCR5 delta 32 deletion. This unique trait physically alters the surface of your white blood cells, effectively locking the cellular doorways that devastating historical contagions use to infiltrate the body. While severe continental diseases swept through populations over the centuries, your ancestors developed a literal genetic armor. They passed down a resilient immune lineage that stands as a biological fortress today, keeping your internal defenses incredibly sharp. Mediterranean. If you have Mediterranean ancestry, your unfair biological advantage is possessing a highly optimized cardiovascular filter and an elite metabolic engine. Because your ancestors thrived along ancient maritime routes and diverse agricultural landscapes, your body evolved to process complex fats and oils with unmatched genetic efficiency. Your lineage features a uniquely adapted FADS gene cluster, which acts like a biological shield for your circulatory system. This genetic optimization allows your body to convert plant and marine-based fatty acids into pure cellular energy while naturally protecting your arteries from inflammation and strain. Furthermore, your system is built for rapid, seasonal adaptation, effortlessly transitioning between mild, overcast winters and intensely bright coastal summers. Nature engineered your genetics to turn a rich, diverse environment and shifting seasonal sun into a masterclass of metabolic efficiency and long-term cardiovascular endurance. Indigenous American. If you have Indigenous American ancestry, your unfair biological advantage is possessing a body engineered with the ultimate all-terrain survival engine. Because your ancestors conquered some of the most punishing and varied landscapes on Earth, from towering mountain ranges to freezing Arctic tundras, your body inherited an extraordinary level of physical endurance and environmental resilience. Your lineage features a uniquely optimized respiratory and vascular system. In high-altitude regions, this translates to a remarkable capacity to extract oxygen from thin air with elite efficiency, keeping your muscles fully energized without dangerously thickening your blood. Furthermore, your genetics carry a hyper-tuned metabolic switch that excels at converting complex lipids and carbohydrates directly into instant heat and cellular energy. Nature engineered your genetics to turn extreme altitudes and unforgiving wilderness into a playground of physical grit, providing you with a foundation of unbreakable endurance. South Asian. If you have South Asian ancestry, your unfair biological advantage is possessing a hyper-efficient metabolic engine and a specialized genetic code built for maximum nutritional self-sufficiency. Because your ancestors thrived in environments with rich plant-leaning diets and variable agricultural seasons, your body evolved a unique insertion in the FADS2 gene. This genetic masterstroke acts like an internal lab, allowing your system to hyper-convert plant-based fatty acids into vital omega-3s for peak brain function and heart health with extraordinary efficiency. Additionally, your body carries a finely tuned melanin barrier designed for high-intensity subtropical sunlight. This built-in solar defense absorbs intense UV radiation to protect your body's essential folate reserves, preventing cellular wear while maintaining smooth thermal regulation in warm, high-humidity environments. Nature engineered your genetics to turn rich agricultural traditions and intense tropical sun into a masterclass in biological independence and cellular resilience. East and Southeast Asian. If you have East or Southeast Asian ancestry, your unfair biological advantage is possessing an advanced thermal regulation system and a physical design built for maximum environmental resilience. Your lineage carries a unique master switch in the EDAR gene known as the 370A variant. This distinct genetic code endows your body with an increased density of eccrine sweat glands, creating an elite built-in evaporative cooling system that prevents overheating during high exertion in humid or changing climates. Furthermore, your ancestors evolved targeted physical adaptations for protection against the elements. Traits like the epicanthic fold act as a natural visor, protecting your eyes from harsh winds, dust, and blinding glare off snow or water, while a high-density hair matrix provides exceptional insulation for your scalp. Nature engineered your genetics to turn intense climatic diversity into an unbeatable combination of advanced heat management, structural protection, and biological endurance. Middle Eastern. If you have Middle Eastern ancestry, your unfair biological advantage is possessing a hyper-efficient hydration engine paired with elite solar armor. Because your ancestors conquered some of the hottest, most arid environments on Earth, your body evolved specialized biological mechanisms to thrive where water was scarce. Your system excels at cellular moisture and electrolyte conservation, allowing you to regulate internal body temperature and maintain physical stamina under intense dry heat. Furthermore, your skin's balanced melanin profile provides an ideal solar filter, shielding your body's vital folate reserves from harsh sunlight while ensuring optimal vitamin D production. Your lineage also independently evolved a unique genetic variant for adult lactase persistence, unlocking rich liquid calories and hydration from livestock in deep desert environments. Nature engineered your genetics to turn scorching sun and unforgiving desert terrain into a masterclass of thermal mastery, cellular hydration, and unbreakable stamina. Which biological superpower do you carry in your DNA? Drop your ancestry below, and let's see which lineage rules the comment section today.